Hello coders, did you know that Excel has a feature just like Adobe Photoshop to remove the background of an image? So in this practical demonstration I will be showing you that after inserting a particular image how you can remove the background from it. So to insert the image what we are doing is that we are inserting, that means that everything that is related to insertion in the Excel spreadsheet must be present in the insert tab. Now in our scenario, this particular scenario, we are inserting a picture. So I have already a picture in my desktop which is named Kate. Just insert it. After that I need to make some changes. So in the format tab there is an option for remove background. After clicking on the remove background, you have to mark the areas that which you want to remove. First of all, let me make the selection of the whole picture, a picture as a whole. Okay, from here drag it all the way across to here. Then so what I'm basically doing is that I am left clicking and selecting the area of the Excel spreadsheet. Let me make it, I will be keeping her shoulder as well in my picture. Now the time comes to mark areas which I want to keep or to, yeah, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So I'm left clicking and dragging my mouse all the way across to mark the areas. So takes a bit time to mark all the areas, but slow but steady wins the race. So you have to slowly remove the, I mean make the markings, delete the background. So I'm selecting this portion as well, and from there I'm selecting this portion, and then I am moving to this portion, and then from there I am moving to this portion, then from here to this portion and this portion. So it's a pretty tough job to select whole of the areas. Now let me move to the towards the end. I have already, okay, fine. So this is the last selection. Now what I need to do is that I need to delete mark and then click on keep changes. So here you have just cut off our image and you can remove this background as well. So try it on your own. So this is how. So let me also show you the original image. Let me go on to the new sheet, Excel spreadsheet, and then picture. From there, select Kate. Here it is, and then insert. Now, let me quickly revise what I did. You need to go to this format tab, and from there, you need to click on the remove background. Then you have to go to this mark areas to keep, and you will be getting a pencil kind of icon. After marking the areas, you need to click on this delete mark remove marks areas to remove. So you need to click on this button mark areas to remove. So you will be clicking on it and then keep the changes. So try it on your own. Until and unless you are doing the practical stuff, you won't be able to achieve what I am trying to explain it to you guys. That's all for this short video. Thank you guys and happy coding.